Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you're fine. This video is very special to all my people. Currently 4500 plus people are using my scripts, and this video is especially for you. If you will watch the complete video, I will guarantee you will never get lost. Okay, because this is 100%, you can say it's a 500% non-repeated. You will one there is a one drawback and I will tell you, but watch the complete video, and I do not miss any point, because this is very I'm telling you again, this is very important video. Okay, let's start the video. Just a small request, please subscribe my channel, must like my video. Okay, here you can see, you will get the signals. Here you can see there are a lot of signal, and second indicator is a simple Bollinger Band. This is already this is 100% non-repeated indicator, Bollinger Band. The second algo danger, this is one is very danger, because you will get this single indicator. After when you will use this two indicator, you will never need any more indicator. Okay, just use this indicator. And what is the drawback? Because I told you there is a drawback. And one more important thing, because some people asking me that create alert. Okay, because alert is very important, because all the time you cannot watch the video, you cannot watch the market. So alert is very important, so I put the alert in the indicator, and you will see. Let's see, I put a alert as well. Here you can see, but I have need to show you the detail as well, then we will need to move further. Okay, let me show you the results in BTC, then we will move further. In the BTC, forex market, stock indices, whatever the market you are using, you can use this indicator, will give you 100% accuracy. So let's start the video. And here you can see, whenever this so first of all, we don't need to hide this type of sheets, so you can understand better. Okay, show signals only. Okay, now it will show the signals like this one, amazing one. But we do not need to go further, we have need a small box, 100% accuracy. So we have need to keep in your mind, we have need to take small profit, but with a 100% accuracy. Okay, that two things, 100% accuracy and small profit. If you will keep your mind these two things, you will get a lot of profit. So whenever the signal appear, you need to go for the sell trade, and whenever the candle touch to the lower band, book your profit. Okay, you will say that I'm crazy, so let me show you some in the gold. But what is the drawback? Drawback is, brother, you will get few entries, not lot of entries. It will give you the few entries, but not lot of entries. That is the drawback. Okay, but if you are getting 100% accuracy and just one indicate, or you can say just one you can say, if you are getting 100% accuracy in a whole day with 5 to 7 signals in a day, and then I think that is better. Okay, let's start from, let me show you some results in the BT gold. Here you are not getting lot of entries. Here you can see you are getting not lot of entries, but for example, just an example, here you can see you got the signal. Okay, if you are trading like you are putting lot size 0.01 or 0.03, whatever. Okay, when you got signal, you do not need to worry, you do not need to worry. You can put one standard lot size in a lot size, or you can put 10 standard lot size. It does not matter, because after getting this signal, you will get, I said, 99 to 100% accuracy. Whenever you got the signal, just put the lot size whatever you want. just go for the buy trade and book your profit here. Do not need to go further, just book the profit when candle touch to the upper band line, just that's it. Okay, let me show you the results in some other pair like GPV USD. In the GPV USD, there were crude signals, and you can see 100% accuracy here. Buy trade, go for the buy trade, whatever the lots are you want, you can put. Do not worry, okay, because this indicator will give you accuracy 99 to 100%, and I am giving you guaranteed that after using single indicator you will never lose in your trading. Okay, this is I am telling you again and again, this is very important indicator. If you will use single indicator you will get few entries but 100% accuracy. Okay, I am repeating this statement again and again just because of you. Okay, let me show you here. Buy entry, just go to the buy trade, whatever the lots are you want you can put. Okay, and book the profit here. Okay, and okay, let me show some previous results. Okay, and good thing is do not need to watch whole market, just put the alert. Okay, let's, here you can see I am already putting alert here. Okay, just put the alert here of this indicator algo danger. Okay, and just potential, you have to use this one. Okay, potential double top or potential double bottom. Okay, this indicator, just use it, and uh, whatever the name you want you can use it, and the date, whatever in which date, from which date you want, you can put at the end date, so you can put 2027. Okay, whatever you want. Okay, put the message of alert and just create alert, and you will your alert will be created. Okay, I'm putting AUD JPY because let me show you AUD JPY. Where is AUD JPY? Okay, I got two entries and booked already two profit here. This one. Okay, this was my first profit, this was the second take profit, because whatever the lot size I told you you can put, and definitely will give you the profit. Okay, let me show you some of previous results here. This one you can see, and you got the profit here, and you got the entry, the price was around 97.857. Okay, and you book the profit. And so if you're thinking that the indicator will work on only 1 minute or 5 minute or time frame, no, you can use it in 1 hour time frame as well. You can use it 1 hour time frame, you can use in 1 day as well. Okay, because this indicator work on all time frame. Okay, let me show you the results in 1 hour time frame here. But remember, I told you will get not lot of entries, you will get few entries only. Okay, like in the 1 hour time frame, this was a lucky day and you got three consistent profit. Okay, and some days you will in the whole day if you are using 1 hour time frame. But there are a lot of pairs, brother. Listen, if you want more signal, then you can watch, there are lot of pairs. Okay, and you have need to use multiple pairs, and you will get more signals in a day. In a day, if you are getting 3 to 7 signals, I think that is a very good signals. If you are getting 3 to 5 signals in a day, then I'm guarantee you that you will get lot of profit just from the 3 or 4 5 signals. Okay, if you are if a signal, for example, the if any signal, any indicator giving you signals like 100, and if you are getting loss in 40 to 50 trades, then what is the ratio? 40 to 50% win rate, then what is, there is no meaning. Okay, so better to take less entries but with a win rate of 99 to 100%. Okay, that will be better, I think. In the gold, or you can say in any other pair, you can use it like this one, sell entry, and you can see you got the profit. Okay, and so on. Okay, but I told you there is a very drawback. You will get only few entries like this one. Okay, 23 October. Okay, you are getting entry. Okay, in the December you are getting one entry, and so on. Or in the, if you are using 1 minute time frame as well, let me show you. Because in the gold you are getting less entries. Okay, you can see. If you are using some other pair like AUD USD or any other pair, USD JPY, AUD JPY, whatever the pair you want, you will get more entries. Like in the 1 minute time frame, you can see first, second. Okay, let me show you the other signals are profitable. Yes, you can see the first take profit. Okay, and this one, today date is 26th December. Okay, this one, first signal, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one, sixth one, and six signal, six signal so far. Okay, in just 2 days, in just 2 days, in a single pair, in 1 minute time frame, you are getting six signals. That means if you are getting a profit around in a, if you are using 1 minute or 3 minute time frame. Okay, and you are getting five signal, let's say five signal in a day, and in 1 to 3 minute time frame, I am talking about two time frame, 1 minute or 3 minute or 5 minute, five, for example, you are getting, if your 5 minute is actually different one, you will get hardly one or maybe two minutes in one pair. Okay, if you are saying let's consider that you are trading in 1 minute or 3 minute time frame, and you are getting five entries, or let's say let's reduce the entries, four entries in a pair, and you are using like seven pairs. Okay, seven major pairs, and you are getting actually 28 entries in a day. Okay, in a day. And if just like I told you, you will get accuracy of around 99 to 100% accuracy. For example, you are getting loss in one trade. Okay, so let's consider that you are booking loss in two trades. That is not possible, because I told you you will get 99 to 100% accuracy. Okay, and let's see, let's just consider you are getting accurate as you can say you are getting loss in two trades, and you are getting profit in 26 trade. Yes, okay, so let's say 26 trade in a day. Okay, 26 trade in a day, and you are getting profit around $3, or you can say minimum, if you putting, if you will put a lot size like point 0.03 or point 0.04. Okay, but in major pair like gold, it will be good profit, but in some small pairs like euro USD or some pair, you will get you are putting a lot size around point 0.02 or point 0.03, you will get around $2 to $3 or maybe $4 profit in just one trade. Okay, but I will told you that you can put the lot size, standard lot size. Okay, I told you you can put a standard one lot size when you got the signal, and you will get around 15 to $30 profit. Let's say you are getting profit around $18 in a day, if you are putting one standard lot size. Okay, then you are getting profit for $50 plus in just one day. So that is the estimate, that so now you can imagine that how profitable signals we are getting, and how much profit you are getting. Let's say in the 3 minute time frame, let's assume that in the 3 minute time frame, today date is 26th December. Okay, in the 26th December, how much signals we are getting? Let's see, and then we can say how much profit you are getting. Okay, 26th December is here. 24 December, today date is 26 December. Okay, and the market is on. Okay, 24, 25 and 26 start from this when you did not get any signal. Okay, in the 3 minute time frame. In the Euro USD, internet is slow. Yes, you get one signal. Okay, in the 26th December, okay, you are getting only one signal, but you can see all signals are profitable. Okay, or you got one signal, uh, second one, you can see you got the profit here and you got the profit at this point. So Bollinger Band touch to the upper band line, when candle touch to the upper band, you got the profit. Your second entry and this is the third one, you can see. Okay, 4 1 5 1, and this one no, 5 1, no entry and no entry. 5 entries. Well, let's see, uh, date is 24, leave it. This is the most recent entry. Okay, and date is 25 December, leave it. We only consider this one. Okay, 6 entries. Date is 26 December. Yes, okay, you can see 26 December. So how much we get? 6 7, now 7 entries. Okay, let me show you this one. In the previous candle you got the signal, and the next candle book the profit. 6 entries, let's see. You only 26 and 26, 27, 28 and 29. 29 entries. Okay, and no entry. Yes, no entry. 29. Oh, sorry, only 9. 9, and this one is 10, 11, 12, book the profit. And 12, it's taking time, but watch complete, because it will give you the idea how much profit you can get by using only single indicator. Elko danger. 12 and 13, 14, 15. So there are a lot of pairs, and you can estimate that I'm using only few pairs. Okay, and you get around 14 to 15 entries in just few pairs, not lot of pairs, just few pairs. If you will see in the other pairs, then definitely you will get around more than 25 to 35 entries in a day. And just like I told you, if you will catch only 20 entries in a day, and you will put a standard lot size, then definitely you will get around $15 in just one trade easily. Okay, and after that you will get $30 in a day easily with the for example, if you are getting loss in one trade, then you will get around minimum $250. Okay, that is actually a very big. Okay, any further query you can ask me, and if you need my indicator, you can contact me. Let me show you my contact details. You can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can also contact me on my Telegram at the rate simple hoga one, write one at the end must, and Gmail simple hoga at the rate gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. Okay, next video I will explain in Hindi. So because you already know, you are already, if you are listening me, then you know my English was not too good, but I tried my best to give you the all explanation. Okay, any further query you can ask me for the next video. Bye bye, take care, and must like my video, must subscribe my channel. If you need my indicator, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number, Telegram or Gmail. Okay.